I wake up early. I don't wake up early. I have a car. I don't have a car. I drink coffee. I don't drink coffee. I eat healthy food. I don't eat healthy food. I use a computer. I don't use a computer. I take medicine. I don't take medicine. I use public transport. I don't use public transport. I rent an apartment. I don't rent an apartment. I study at college. I don't study at college. I work full-time. I don't work full-time. I work part-time. I don't work part-time. I spend time with family. I don't spend time with family. I have a hobby. I don't have a hobby. I go for a walk every day. I don't go for a walk every day. I have a driving license. I don't have a driving license.
Do you wake up early? Do you drink coffee? Do you walk to work? Do you study at college? Do you eat healthy food? Do you have a car? Do you rent an apartment? Do you spend time with family? Do you have a driving license? I eat vegetables every day. I call my family once a week. I travel twice a month. I eat snacks 3 times a day. I drink tea a few times a day. I go shopping a few times a month. I always wake up early. I'm always on time. I usually go to bed late. I'm usually busy in the morning. I often go for a walk in the evening. I'm often tired after work. I sometimes forget my keys at home. I'm sometimes late for work. I rarely drink coffee in the evening. I'm rarely available after 11 p.m. I never drink soda. I'm never in a bad mood in the morning.
In the morning. In the afternoon. In the evening. In January. In February. In 2024. In summer. In winter. In spring. In autumn. On Monday. On Tuesday. On weekdays. On a holiday. On my day off. On a workday. On the 1st of January. On the 2nd of February. At night. At midnight. At lunchtime. At the moment. At the weekend. At 5 p.m. Which would you prefer, tea or coffee? I prefer. I like both options. None of them.